These are vine tomatoes, which means that they produce side shoots as they try and grow away from you, and so it's really important to side shoot right the way through the life of the plant. And so what you're looking for are these tiny little shoots in the axil between the leaf and the main stem. And all you need to do is pinch between your fingers. So just take the side shoot out like this. It's tiny, but what you're doing is stopping it developing into a big branch or a big shoot. There's two different kinds of tomatoes. There's a bush tomato and a vine tomato. So these are vines or cordons, or you might even see the word indeterminate. That means it wants to grow everywhere. So they even start growing from the leaf itself. So let me just take this one off and show you. So you've got a leaf, and at every point that there's a new leaflet growing from this compound system, you've got a new shoot that's trying to grow out of there. Whereas if you grow a bush tomato, which are the kind of tomatoes you might like to grow outside, like Ildi or Red Alert, they don't have this propensity to produce all these laterals. They produce a few short laterals. They're quite compact. They get to about 1 metre high. You still need to cane them, but they don't get any bigger than that. So they're not trying to grow like a vine, rampage through the trees.